Hello moms and dads. In today's video we're going to explain how a flipped classroom differs from a traditional classroom. We're going to try to point out the advantages of having a flipped classroom. In this slide you see the difference between the two classrooms. On the left is the traditional classroom. Notice the teacher, the students sitting, trying to be actively listening to the teacher as he or she presents the lesson. This is why they're known as the sage on the stage. When you look to the right side, what we're trying to do is the flipped classroom. In the flipped classroom, the video, the lesson, has already been viewed or should be viewed by the students at home. Now that they've seen it, when they come to school the next day, they are able to interact with one another and talk about the video or videos that they saw and confer with one another about what they have learned. You may be asking why. Why now are we changing to a flipped classroom from the traditional classroom? In this slide, we're showing the results from a high school near Denver, Colorado. As you will see on the left-hand side, before the flipped classroom was implemented or the traditional classroom was used, notice the percentage of freshmen who failed English and the number of or percentage of freshmen who failed math. On the right-hand side, that is contrasted with that school going to a flipped classroom approach. Notice how the percentage of freshmen who failed English dropped significantly, as did the number of freshmen who failed math. Now, not only is failing involved, they're also looking at classroom disruptions and discipline problems. Again, on the left-hand side, look at the number in a semester of discipline problems that took place at that high school, compared to, after using the flipped classroom, how many discipline problems there were. This is why we are going to a flipped classroom.